Hello everyone and welcome to the How Do I Do It channel. Now I have this tip for you to be able to fold your socks in a more efficient way and to have them well organized in your drawers, and thus take them out and find them easier without having to mess everything up to find the one we want. Usually we have them arranged this way if we are somewhat organized, or worse yet, we just have them thrown around and mixed up. But believe me, this tip is very simple, and with practice you will do it very quickly, and you will notice a huge difference in terms of the order and space you will have in your drawers. Let's see how to do it. First we spread and flatten the socks so that the heel is facing up as seen in the video. We take one of them and leave it in that position and grab the other and put it on top of it, forming a cross, making sure that the heel meets the other. We take the part where the toes go from the bottom sock and fold it so that it is on top of the other, and we put the excess in the middle part of the two socks as I show you. We grab the other end, which is the spring, and pull it a little so that when we fold it over the sock there is some excess. We do the same with the foot part and put it in as we did before, and you will already see the shape of a square. We take the other part of the spring and also pull it a little so that when we fold it there is that excess that we need, and we turn it over. We put the spring part in the middle of the socks as seen on the screen, making sure that it is not loose. We turn everything over again and do the same with the excess so that it stays well secured and does not come off so easily, and that's it. Now you have an almost perfect square that you can easily fit into your drawers, boxes to fit, or wherever you keep your socks. And to fold the short socks it is even easier. We spread them out in the same way, except with the difference that we will put these one on top of the other with the heel facing up, and we fold them more or less in half, and the part of the feet we just put it in the spring, making sure that they are well accommodated and are the same as the others with the shape of a square, so we can fit them together and they will not take up more space or look different. As you can see, with a little practice you will be able to have your sock drawers better organized, and it will save you a lot of space since you can use everything. This way you won't loosen the springs and your socks will have a longer life. I highly recommend that you buy these organizers that you can have in your drawers, and they will look even better organized. I bought these at the one price stores for less than 15 Mexican pesos, so they are not expensive at all, and they will save you a lot of mess since you can divide your socks, underwear, and other things that you have in them. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your family, friends, and acquaintances. Give it a like on the Facebook page and check out the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this advice has been useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.